Hey guys, Tyler with Advanced Seamless Rain Gutter Solutions. Wanted to get with you in regards to clogging of gutters. This could be severely detrimental to your home. If there is blockages over your downspouts and clogging in your gutter systems, we definitely want to maintain these gutters. What could happen is if they're clogged up, it leaves opportunity for water to get back towards your fascia boards and potentially cause fascia rot as well as siding rot. When these are clogged up, the water falls behind or overflows the front, and then that water falls down to the ground, and then you end up with a lot of backsplash on the house, which could create your deterioration of your siding components and erosion at the base of your home, essentially creating foundation problems. When we have foundation problems, everybody knows that that's not a good situation to be in. They can be very costly. So low cost investment on gutters can save you thousands in foundation repairs, siding repairs, and fascia repairs.